Good evening, guys. Just a weekly review of last week's price and also what I think might happen going forward to next week. So last week we took out all-time high, and last week, I think the start of the week I was bearish, and then I become bullish. I think it was what was it, Tuesday or Wednesday? Can't remember. Let's go through it. So last week we had, I think on a Friday, last Monday, we had a full breakout here first on the daily, and then Monday we had a H1, so H4 break to the downside on Friday. So I knew my range would be, well, at the moment, to buy off of that daily setup was there. So when this break out to downside on Monday, I had this marked as my roadblock. I had this marked as my roadblock, and what happened was it reversed from this roadblock. This daily engulfing with 5 to 4 hour. I'll show you. This daily engulfing with 5 to 4 hour. So we've been this candle. This candle didn't close below it. I didn't have that mark to be fair. I didn't see it, but I figured out along with that this mark and this mark. So that was my so this one was a mark, but it seemed like it's more that because this was strong level Y. Well, clearly you see why. It was just of course to break that price down momentum would break all this level. So in there is very strong. Then that's the reason after. I didn't look that far back, I should have to say, but I thought it was from here to here. But anyway, so Monday I was bearish and I was waiting for some setup, which gave me some setup. We got H4 bear, H4 bull, H4 bear. So in here at H1 bull block, we had an M3? No, we didn't do down here. So I was bear here. Then on Tuesday, I was still bearish because when I woke up on Tuesday, because we had this bear run on 1 hour. Then we had this H1 break to the upside, H1 confirmation. But then if we look at this confirmation, it wasn't at a good price because if you look at the H4 breakout, this is the range. What am I doing there? This is the range. So if I had a H1 setup, I like to see it within this range. You see my range? So yeah, so but the H1 was right set up right down here at the bottom. So it gives us a setup. So, but there's a reason why you wouldn't take this setup, which I'll explain later. But just know the basic. And then it price give us what I marked in the group. It gave us this, gave a reject and a break to upside. So I said in the group chat that we were gonna be bullish. Look like price want to come up and give us a better price to sell from. Wait, did I say that video? Did I say that? What is this? Tuesday. Tuesday will be the 28th. I said in the group that yeah, if daily close bear, what's this? Is Monday. Where's Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. I mark that. I mark a breakout my level. Say where price is going to act from. And everywhere we act, mark this, we act well there. This was maybe fine to 1 hour, it was a 4 hour. Cannot mark in there. Then where did I say it after that? What is it, still 28? So H1 look, so H1 seemed like rejecting up the pullback area. If H1 closes above the resistance, which is this sign of bullish, this H1 is just a pullback to H4, so that H1 if we break away, which is a pullback to H4, H4 bullish, so if price want to go to premium for a better price to sell. So what I'm saying is basically at the time, where is it? At the time when we were here, I said that if price goes above this level, resistant, I'm bullish. Why am I bullish? So that because H4 was bearish at the time, but H1 bullish on what I'm saying is price want to come above into premium, which is above 50% to give to sell from. Eventually it went up to sell from to come down, and that's what happened. So, and then on Tuesday we had this breakout. Sorry, Wednesday. I mentioned in there as well. Short video. Then on Wednesday we had this. So buying this, buying there. And then Wednesday I mark my zone, we at H4 breakout. So look, price reach out, order the breakout, good place to sell. So basically when we reach out H4 we want to sell, which is I said here, then price created a H1 bearish breakout, which is a low risk in a good area, so we look to sell. And then so we had H4 bear breakout, which is this, H1 pullback, which is this, H1 sell. So now I mentioned yesterday that we wanted better price to sell, so we there. Then that, and I also mentioned that H4 breakout to the upside, but I wasn't comfortable with it. H1 done a bullish break on around there, but I'm not convinced of this breakout due to high not be taken out. I see this as not a strong breakout, so I'm sticking with H4 bear breakout. So what I said there was, you look on around there, which this has a bullish break in the market, close above this. Well, I said I wasn't convinced with it because it never looked high, but I was bearish for the day, and I was bearish, and then that was H1, then a bearish break, and I was selling from then on. And I said this here, no traffic, low traffic, so I expect price to come all the way down to here before I got selling. But I said on the way down there's hidden bases, hidden bay. So I had this one marked, and I had this one marked, and I said within that, and obviously I had my H4 origin mark back here. That's a H4, you got H4, you see. Yeah. And yeah, sorry. Oh yeah, I marked that, but it went further down. So I said, because I said price had a clear coming down, but no, sorry, that's something else. This is here. That would be, I said this price with a clear traffic, so come down to here, but there's some hidden traffic on the way, and on the way this hidden base. I said on M30 would have a EG buy, which I did, EG buy. Sure, I said that somewhere. Yeah, look, it does seem like a clear into a downside, not much traffic in between apart from some hidden base. So M30 would have some EG buy. I do see it break through. I said that basically what I'm saying is that would have slowed us down, hidden base as in the roadblock, but I do see us breaking through, which we did, and we buy from there. So basically what I'm trying to say is all week we had a good week, yeah. A prediction for direction right, a prediction for buy was right, sell was right, everything was right. So even Wednesday, what did I say about up here? Thursday, I remember now, because every day I'm writing down so much. And we had a zone mark, so there, zone mark, everything fine. Oh, this was the focus messing about there. So anyway, that's last week. So what I said last week was we did have a pullback on here. That pullback to me was only a pullback to the daily. The daily that buy somewhere down here. So I marked all the barrier. I'm thinking all the barriers where the price might reverse. That one, reverse a bit. That one, close above that, and that one, and reverse. I finally went. And when it did finally went on a Tuesday, Monday. So Tuesday I said, okay, if I want to give a better price to sell from, Wednesday is sell down. I said the sell will be good because here no low traffic. And then I said I won't buy until it comes this level, which I did. That was the origin of it. And then price showed me something else, some price action that I thought price would fly. In terms of, if you look on a daily now, you had daily breakout at the time. Yeah, so Tuesday. So this is Wednesday. Okay. So after daily breakout, which is here, we had this 4-hour pullback. Then it's bearish, right? So this was the first pullback. So this was the zone. Let's do this. Daily breakout in here for bear. We had a pullback area here. We had another. So price is doing there. It didn't close below it, so it seemed like we were rejecting it. Then it closed bullish again once more. And then from then on, I said to myself, we're going to be pulled from there. But I didn't look on the 4 hours on the lower time frame. In my Telegram wheel, it's all been documented, and then I said I'll buy away from there, and I had a free scalp. There wasn't no much setup apart from up here. We have to give us some setup, lower setup. So where we at now? So we bullish everything apart from H1. So the last 4 breakouts is here. Price, is that the count now? What that breakout? Here. H1 did a bear break. And there's also not a pure break, but we look like 2 weeks. H1 hasn't done a bullish break, or M30 hasn't done a bullish break yet, so I'm still waiting for that. Also, H1 done a bearish break. M30 has not done a bullish break, so there's no pullback yet. So this is doing play, and I'm waiting for some price action to show me where we price will go up or come down, depending what it does when it opens. So far this week I'm still bullish because of weekly, daily, and H4 bearish on H1, but I'm not looking to sell because at the moment, if you look at the H1 bear and H4 bull, the price is at the bull now. At this point, I won't block now. So why am I selling? What's the point? So I'm waiting to see if I can give me a buy setup, and I go from there. So right now, it seems like we're just seeing this. Here's what's stopping price. So let's see what the price does, and then at the moment, look to buy to continue my H4, and we go from there. And then what level would I consider for it to be bearish on H4? This level. And then that level happens, what's that? The daily breakout, and yeah, so that's the DMP breakout. So for me, daily bullish, and H4 breaks downside. We've got this range to play with. So H4 is just trading a pullback, so that from there to here over to more than 50 sell to. But I'm not thinking about that until this level is broken. As you know, with BPE, so about CMP and how the market is at here, how they react and how they form in this uncurrent my pocket to first understand where we buy or bear. So that's it for today. I hope. Oh, I did any education. Let me do some education. So basically, BPE is simple as, for those who don't know, so this is BPE. Breakout, pullback, confirmation, come back to confirmation area and buy. H4, pullback, H1. So H4 breakout, H1 pullback, H1 confirmation, that's low risk. That's the one time frame. Lower than the actual breakout, that's low risk. And then TP at 1 block. So I use Malaysian SNR as my direction in terms of like breakout. So you look at breakout, it's only A or V back. How do you mean by that? I mean, two opposite candles together is form of resistance. A bull candle and a bear candle, that's form of resistance. So until that candle break above it, then I'm bullish. Because you look at line chart, this is like an A shape. So when it break above that, candle close, I'm bullish. And the same for bearish, it will be opposite. Example, yeah, bear candle and a bull candle. You look at line chart, is a V shape. Candle close below it, I'm bearish on that candle. That's my direction. And because I'm into day trade, I only trade the 1 hour and 4 hours, so I tend to follow the 1 hour, 4 hour trade. But my setup is low risk, so I will look for low risk trade. That makes sense. And obviously, when you do 1 hour, 4 hour, the waiting is quite long. So also in the group chat, I also look for a zone to scout from, as we all know from the group chat. That's the basis of it. Obviously,